Green Lane Masjid, see that, that's all. Right, he's just riding, he ain't looking on nothing.
Rum biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh, this is a rum biker, rum rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. All this dust, man. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Ugh. Okay. Just give way to the right, mate. Hello. Hello. Right, so we're at Small Heath now. Golden Hill at Women's Centre, Southern City College. Big up Southern City College every time. Just remember, as I said, guys, if you watch part 1 of this, keep your wits about you. Observations on fleek. Let people know that you're there. Be seen, be heard, and mind yourself. Another super busy road in Birmingham, generally speaking. Now I'm not sure when the busyness peaks or not. I mean, it's 11:05 now. I can smell food. Are you hungry? When you're riding in these areas or driving in these areas, got to be mindful of people not looking, people pulling out, people stepping out into the road, people even like stopping their cars in the middle of the road. I mean, look there, people even stopping their cars in the middle of the road to have a conversation. You know the way there. If you know, you know. No, it's too hot. It's too hot. Viva Palestine Souk. What kind of shop is that? Beer congestion. See, on these roads, even if you're filtering and going round again, just make sure you're on your P's and Q's, because people will step out. Let them know we're here. See, yeah, the heat thing is not good. It's not good. I don't know if the carbs need adjusting or balancing on this. Amazons, big up them man there. If you want to get your aftershaves, oils and stuff like that, that shop is amazing, I can't lie to you. That's where to go to get them. gosh. See, it fires up straight away. It's just that, I don't know, sometimes when she gets really hot, she just cuts out after a rev. Look, let's have a look. Oh, she's alright now. Mate. Right, so we slow it down just in case. Okay, cool, we're good. Alright, let's do a right up here. So again, people just walking out. I mean, he just decided he was just going to step out in the road. Yo, what's going on here? What is going on here? What is going on here? Green Lane Masjid, see that, that's all. Right, he's just riding, he ain't looking on nothing. See? He ain't even looking up there to see if anyone was coming. See what I mean? Mad. Hey. He's gone. Let's overtake this there. Let's get a little bit of AC. I wonder which part of that ute there I got. I mean, I ain't trying to follow him or nothing like that. It's out of curiosity. Look at this lovely bit of parking. But you know what, to be honest, today it hasn't been too bad. It's been actually okay. I thought it was just about to change that for me still. But yeah, it's been alright today. Not too bad. I've been up here and it's been crazy, but today it's been good. No problemo. I'm gonna need to track down something to eat though. That's definitely, that's for certain still. Let's go down one of these back roads. Oh, duh. I thought it was a road. Let's turn ourselves around. Drapes up that back brake. Won't do it. Anyway, family, listen, there's nothing to see here. Road's actually okay today, as far as I see. Yeah, parking is all over the place, but nothing crazy's happened today. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, don't forget, I'm gonna repeat it again, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, share the videos, even give me some what do you call it, ideas of what you'd like to see. I've got some stuff that I've recorded that I need to finish and stuff like that, for some other bits that I need to do. But if you have any ideas, let me know in the comment section below. But like, share, comment, subscribe. We out.
From biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is a from biker, from rider. Give your back a rep, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again.